Welcome to the best picks. The best wedding hand fans are probably one of the most sought-after wedding accessories for brides and guests alike, offering a touch of elegance, practicality, and a nod to tradition, seamlessly blending style and function to create an unforgettable and comfortable experience for everyone involved in the special day. They're not just for keeping cool, they're a beautiful and meaningful addition to any wedding, adding a touch of sophistication and a unique keepsake for your guests to remember your special day. Number 5. Bamboo Folding Hand Fan. These beautiful hand fans are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any occasion. They're lightweight and easy to use, making them ideal for weddings, parties, or simply decorating your home. Each fan measures 8.2 inches when closed and 15.3 inches wide when open. The classic white color makes them versatile and suitable for any decor. This package includes 50 fans, each with a clear protective bag. That's plenty for a large event or to share with friends and family. The paper surface is perfect for DIY projects. Get creative and personalize them with your own designs and artwork. These fans are a wonderful choice for weddings, parties, home decor, or even stage productions. They add a touch of sophistication to any setting. They're lightweight and easy to carry, making them a thoughtful and unique party favor for your guests. Everyone will appreciate this elegant gift. What we like? It's a great deal if you need a large quantity of fans for your event. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option that still looks elegant, this is it. If you like the classic look of white paper fans, this is perfect for you. Number 4. Sepwedd Sandalwood Fans. These elegant hand fans are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any event. Each fan is crafted from high-quality sandalwood, ensuring both beauty and durability. This set includes everything you need for a memorable party favor. 50 fans, organza bags, and tassels are all included for your convenience. It's not just for summer. They're ideal for weddings, birthdays, graduations, or any special occasion. These unique fans make wonderful and memorable party favors for your guests. They'll love taking home this beautiful keepsake. Made from durable sandalwood, it's lightweight and easy to use. The beautiful wood grain adds a touch of elegance. When closed, it measures 8 inches in length. Opened, it gracefully expands to 13.38 inches wide. Use them as a refreshing hand fan on a warm day or as a decorative prop for role-playing or parties. The possibilities are endless. What we like? This option offers a touch of elegance with its sandalwood material and beautiful organza bags and tassels. If you're aiming for a sophisticated and memorable party favor, this is a great choice. If you want to add a touch of luxury to your event, consider this elegant option. What people say? The detail on these were beautiful. They were a huge hit and the most elegant fans I could find. These are great, they all come in individual baggies. Number 3. Dxhycc Sandalwood Fans. These elegant sandalwood fans are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to any occasion. They're lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Made from natural sandalwood, each fan is unique. Slight color variations are natural and add to their charm. Delight your wedding guests with these beautiful and practical favors. They'll love the exquisite scent and craftsmanship. Celebrate a new arrival with these charming sandalwood fans. They make a memorable and useful gift for parents and guests. Keep cool in the summer heat or use them as a decorative accent in your home, office, or tea house. They add a touch of elegance anywhere. Dxhycc provides high-quality bulk packaging, ensuring these fans arrive in perfect condition. They're ready for your special event. What we like? It's lightweight, foldable, and perfect for keeping cool on a hot day. If you need a smaller, more manageable quantity for a smaller event, this is ideal. If you prioritize portability in a natural material, this is the one for you. What people say? Purchase these to keep my guests cool for an outdoor baby shower during summer. They were so chic and fun, everyone loved taking photos and boomerangs with them while keeping cool. Fits perfect in your purse too. Looks amazing, useful, great size, great as party favors for weddings. Purchase these fans as party favors for a ladies' luncheon event. Big hit. Everyone loved the fans. Number 2. Rose Lace Floral Folding Hand Fans. These beautiful hand fans are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any occasion. They're lightweight and easy to use, making them ideal for staying cool in the summer heat or as a stylish accessory. Each fan features a delicate rose lace floral design, adding a touch of romance and sophistication. The intricate details make them truly special. These aren't just for staying cool, they're perfect for weddings, parties, or even as props for role-playing. They're also great as party favors for your guests. This set includes 30 fans, each with its own organza bag and pendant. It's ready to use for your next event or to give as gifts. Made with high-quality lace fabric and a sturdy plastic holder, it ensures they're durable and long-lasting. You'll enjoy using them for many occasions to come. Measuring 9.06 inches when closed and 16.54 inches wide when open, it's the perfect size for comfortable use and easy storage. Imagine your guests' delight receiving these beautiful hand fans as wedding favors. They're a unique and memorable keepsake. What we like. These fans add a touch of romance and vintage charm to any event. If you're looking for something unique and beautiful for your wedding or special event, this is a great choice. If you like the delicate look of rose lace, this will surely impress your guests. What people say. This fan was used as a wedding party favor and it added a beautiful touch to the outdoor wedding. With the heat from after a rain and being in a pavilion that was draped, the humid heat just lingered. So glad I purchased these. Everybody was using them and thought they were so beautiful. These fans are stunning and do not look cheap. They each have their own mesh bag, too. Number 1. Sandalwood Fan Party Favors. These exquisite sandalwood fans are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any special occasion. Each fan is beautifully crafted and ready to make a lasting impression on your guests. This set includes 50 beautifully designed sandalwood fans, along with 50 organza bags and tassels for easy gifting. Everything you need for a memorable party favor is right here. They're ideal for baby showers, weddings, birthdays, or any celebration. Your guests will appreciate this thoughtful and unique keepsake. These aren't just decorative, they're functional too. Use them to stay cool in the summer heat or as props for themed parties and events. Made from high-quality sandalwood, it offers a smooth finish and a pleasant aroma. It's a gift that's both beautiful and fragrant. The beautiful sunflower pattern adds a touch of summery charm. It's a delightful detail that your guests will adore. Each fan measures 8 inches when closed and 13.38 inches when open. They are lightweight and easy to use. What we like. The unique sunflower pattern adds a cheerful touch to your event. If you're looking for a fun and festive party favor, this is a great option. If you prefer a natural wooden fan with a unique design, this is perfect for you. What people say. Ordered these to pass out at my niece's wedding. It was outside, hot, in summer. They were really great for their purpose. Could easily be personalized also. The fans looked great and are sturdy. They were a perfect addition to a 15-year-old's outdoor party. They came individually bagged in the see-through gift bag, making it convenient and easy to hand out. Using these for my wedding. They are sturdy and come in their own bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.